Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change 8tracks account password. Let's get started. If you want to change your 8tracks account password, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up the browser in search bar, you can search for 8tracks.com. After searching for 8tracks.com, it will directly take you to this website. You might have to log into your account, and after logging into your account, what you can do is just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now you can tap on settings, and then you have to tap on change password option which is on the right side of your screen. After tapping on settings, now you have to tap on change password option which is on the left side of your screen. So just tap on this fifth option which says change password. And after tapping on that option, now you can change your password by entering your current password. After entering your current password in the first blank, you have to enter your new password and then re-enter that same password in the third blank. So after entering your details, now just tap on change my password. After tapping on change my password, your password was updated successfully. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on I forgot my current password. After tapping on that option, you can change your password, or you can reset or recover your password and then create a new one. After creating that new password, you have successfully changed your password in your 8tracks account. That's it guys, this is how to change password in 8tracks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.